If you're looking to add to your Divi library, then look no further. Introducing the massive Black Friday layout bundle, only available for 24 hours. That's right, today is your only chance to get these 8 amazing products bundled together for 50% off. The 8 products included in this bundle are Divi Den Pro, Divi Headers Pack, Flexel Footers for Divi, 45 plus unique Divi Hero headers, Divi Pot Blog Layout Pack, Divi Slider Module Pack, Divi WP Feature Content Sections Layout, and Ultimate Divi Modules UI Bundle. When combined, these layout collections include over 5,700 pre-designed layouts and elements, including full-page layouts, headers, footers, and pre-built sections. Each product is also updated often with brand new designs, like Divi Headers Pack's new easy headers that are built with Divi's default settings. Whether you own a single website, or you're a freelancer, or even an agency, you'll fall in love with the endless options for any project you work on. These designs will not only visually enhance your website, but they will also improve the overall usability and functionality. Check out the possibilities yourself by clicking the link in the video description. Remember to act fast because seriously, this deal only lasts for 24 hours and the clock is ticking. And don't forget, you can get Divi for 25% off right now by heading to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday. Thanks for watching and see you soon.